Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
This guide shows how to send a live location with a photo using common apps. Start by opening the messaging app that supports live location sharing and photos. Enable location services and camera permissions in system settings before you begin. Confirm internet connectivity and sufficient battery. Live sharing uses data and power. Decide whether to share continuous live tracking or a one-time pinned location with photo. Also pick the recipient or group and confirm they can receive photos and locations. Open the chat with the person or group you want to share your live location with. Tap the attachment or plus icon and choose Location or Share Live Location option. For continuous sharing, select Share Live Location and set a duration like 15 minutes. To attach a photo, tap the camera icon or image, take a picture, and confirm send. Ensure the photo contains recognizable landmarks to help the recipient identify your position. Verify the live map preview, and the attached photo appear in the chat before closing the app. Stop sharing anytime by opening the chat and selecting Stop Sharing or End Share. Remove the attached photo by deleting the message if you no longer want it available. Use time limits like 15 or 60 minutes to minimize exposure while still helping the recipient. Consider alternatives such as sending coordinates, a static pinned location, or screenshots. Always confirm consent before sharing someone else's live location or photos involving others. Review app settings regularly and revoke permissions when they are no longer necessary for privacy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.